MP barim ka outer Manipur Dr. Lorho S PFoze hagasi baar ulawan pyniasoh ilade Shaka National People's Party pala pdiang burom yu da National President ke NPP but Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma hagajinyalang bala penlong ha office ka party hasilong Yau Dr. Lorho lawan sendran da arngut ki MLA ke NPP na Manipur kini ka jingwan pyniasoh ala khmilinti bakan nang pinklan ban nang suhthied ya ke NPP ha Manipur pathathan chate lamingi barokawai haba pdiang subha yau Dr. Lorho u Conrad ula ong baki jing shemphang bayar jong Dr. Lorho haga jing shakri ki pajba kanang pinklan shu ya ke jing persang jong ke NPP ban job ya ki jing jong ka than chate lamingi bar ki nong snong hapo jong ka ula ong bawat hapedeng shibun ki jing tenju ke NPP ka la ban poi shaman ki kanong kinstrok jong ka than ban te ya ke jing shania bat ban pinlong yaldi kum karin san ka baki pajba jong ka than chate lamingi kinya wan lang ban pin sngo ya ka sur jong ki
The National People's Party has been able to today establish itself in spite of multiple challenges all across and continuous hurdles coming our way. We have been able to reach to this level, and I'm sure that we will move further with the trust and participation of the public at large, and of course with leaders from all over the Northeast, seeing the National People's Party as one of the best alternatives, or rather I should say maybe the only alternative that could become the actual platform where the people of the Northeast in general could come together and get the necessary numbers and the voice to be able to carry the issues of the Northeast all the way in the parliament.
Haba ajingren u Dr. Lorho ulapin paw ya kajing sngongu ya kinong yalam ke NPP but pin paw ya kajing scam ba ke NPP ke deben long ka party jong baro hakathan chte lamingi kentup ki trai muluk but ki pat riulum ula ong ba ka thong jong upurno sangma ka yailong kum kajing ai min sim ya baro baru phai khmat ban trai lang bar ka party but ban kudup lang ya baro kat kabala ka ban yalam lenti daga jing shisha bat ka hok.
Our being here is not to isolate ourselves. It is for us to strengthen one another, to support one another, and that is how we will continue to work. As I say once again, the National People's Party, when I originally heard about Mr. Burom launching such a political party for the nation, I thought that such a nation, such a tall leader of his stature, having the vision of working for the underprivileged or the tribal communities, that was in my mind. I may have been wrong, but he had such a large heart. He saw beyond the boundaries of Meghalaya. He saw beyond the boundaries of the Northeast. He saw beyond to reach out to all communities in the great country of India. But with time, I think the National People's Party, when it started on, it was very limited in its approach. But by and by, the leadership that has taken over, I think they have really survived the test of time. And today we are now a national party again. And so I look forward to working with this party. I really have mind that it should be such an inclusive party. We should reach out to as many communities, as many people as possible, and never forget that our basis should be the truth.
Kibedan lang hakani jing lang ki kentup ya ka National Working President ke NPP James ki sangma u President ke NPP Meghalaya ba President Tensong bat ki MLA na Manipur.